The real estate business is one of the most rewarding businesses in Kenya when it is built on trust, professionalism, and consistency. Every day, thousands of people search for land, houses, apartments, offices, and commercial buildings to buy or rent. Others are looking for someone to manage their properties or help them find reliable tenants. This creates many opportunities for entrepreneurs who are willing to work hard and provide honest services. Unlike many businesses that require millions of Kenyan shillings to start, a real estate business can begin with a relatively small amount of money if you focus on becoming an agent before investing in property. Before you begin, understand that there are different types of real estate businesses. You can become a property agent who connects buyers and sellers and earns commissions. You can specialize in rental management by collecting rent and maintaining buildings for landlords. You can focus on selling land, residential homes, commercial buildings, warehouses, or luxury properties. You can also become a property developer who buys land, constructs houses, and sells them for profit. Many successful companies started with simple property agency services before expanding into other areas. The first step is choosing the type of real estate business you want to operate. If you have limited capital, becoming a real estate agent is usually the easiest option because you do not need to own the properties you are selling. Instead, you market properties on behalf of owners and earn a commission after a successful sale or rental. If you have more capital, you can buy land or houses, renovate them, and sell them at a higher price. This business model usually requires more money, but can generate larger profits. Learn everything you can about the Kenyan property market before investing your money. Study areas where property demand is growing, such as expanding towns, satellite towns around major cities, and regions benefiting from new roads, industries, universities, or infrastructure projects. Find out the average selling prices, rental rates, land values, and customer preferences. Understanding the market helps you avoid buying overpriced property and enables you to advise clients confidently. Create a business plan that clearly explains your goals. Your business plan should describe the services you will offer, your target customers, your marketing strategy, expected income, estimated expenses, and long-term growth plans. A good business plan also helps when applying for loans or seeking investors. Even if you are starting a loan, writing down your plans helps you stay focused. Register your business legally. You can register a business name, partnership, or limited company depending on your goals. Registering your business increases customer confidence and allows you to open a business bank account. It also makes it easier to sign contracts with clients and property owners. If you intend to practice as a professional estate agent in Kenya, understand that a state agency is regulated by law. Professional estate agents are required to meet the qualifications set by the regulatory authorities before registration and licensing. If you simply want to invest in property that you personally own, these professional licensing requirements are generally different from operating as a licensed estate agent representing clients. Understanding the legal framework helps you avoid costly mistakes and protects both your business and your clients. Your startup costs depend on your business model. A small property agency operating from home may require between 50,000 Kenyan shillings and 200,000 Kenyan shillings for business registration, branding, marketing, internet, transport, photography equipment, and office supplies. Renting a physical office in a busy town increases your expenses, but also improves visibility. If you are investing in property, your capital requirements will be much higher, depending on the location and type of property. Choose a memorable business name and create a professional brand. Design a clean logo, business cards, letterheads, brochures, and social media pages. Your branding should communicate trust, because clients are often making life-changing financial decisions. A professional appearance makes people more willing to work with you. A professional website is one of your most valuable marketing tools. Display high-quality property photos, detailed descriptions, prices, locations, contact information, and customer testimonials. Include a search feature so visitors can easily find properties that match their budget and preferences. Make sure your website loads quickly on mobile phones, because many Kenyans browse property listings using smartphones. Photography plays a major role in real estate marketing. Poor quality photos reduce customer interest, while clear and attractive images generate more inquiries. Take pictures during daylight, clean the property before photographing it, and capture every important room from different angles. Video tours and drone photography can make premium properties even more attractive. Marketing should never stop. Advertise properties on your website, social media platforms, online property marketplaces, and community groups where appropriate. Print banners and brochures for local marketing. Encourage satisfied customers to recommend your services to friends and family. Word-of-mouth referrals remain one of the strongest sources of new clients in the real estate industry. Networking is extremely important. Build relationships with landlords, property developers, construction companies, lawyers, surveyors, valuers, mortgage providers, banks, interior designers, contractors, and local business owners. These relationships often create referral opportunities that bring consistent business over many years. Customer service can determine whether your business succeeds or fails. Always answer calls promptly, keep appointments, provide honest information, and communicate clearly. Never hide property defects from buyers. A single dishonest transaction can damage your reputation permanently. Clients appreciate transparency, even when the truth may reduce the chance of making a quick sale. If you are managing rental properties, establish clear systems, collect rent on time, maintain accurate financial records, inspect properties regularly, respond to tenant complaints quickly, and keep landlords informed about important developments. Reliable property management creates recurring monthly income and strengthens long-term client relationships. Technology can help your business grow faster. Use customer relationship management software to organize leads, schedule follow-ups, store customer information, and track sales. Digital accounting systems simplify bookkeeping, while online payment methods make transactions easier for clients. Automation allows you to serve more customers without greatly increasing your workload. Always verify property ownership before advertising or selling any property. Confirm title documents where necessary, verify the identity of the owner, inspect the property physically, and ensure there are no obvious legal disputes. Property fraud remains a challenge in many markets, and careful verification protects both your clients and your reputation. Pricing properties correctly is another important skill. Overpricing discourages buyers, while underpricing reduces profits for property owners. Compare similar properties in the same location, evaluate recent sales, consider infrastructure developments, and assess the property's condition before recommending a selling price. Develop strong negotiation skills. Buyers usually want lower prices, while sellers want higher returns. Your role is to help both parties reach a fair agreement. Listen carefully to each side, remain professional during negotiations, and focus on creating solutions instead of conflicts. Financial discipline is essential. Separate your personal finances from your business finances. Keep proper records of commissions, expenses, taxes, transport costs, advertising costs, and office expenses. Save part of every commission to support future business growth, instead of spending everything immediately. As your business grows, consider hiring employees such as sales agents, marketing specialists, photographers, customer service representatives, accountants, and property managers. Train them to maintain the same level of professionalism and honesty that built your business. A reliable team allows you to handle more clients and larger projects. One mistake many beginners make is chasing quick commissions instead of building long-term relationships. A satisfied customer may return years later to buy another property, sell land, or recommend several new clients. Focus on serving people well rather than simply completing transactions. Continue learning throughout your career. Attend property exhibitions, business seminars, investment conferences, and professional training programs. Follow changes in property laws, tax regulations, construction trends, mortgage products, and market conditions. Continuous learning helps you remain competitive in a rapidly changing industry. Real estate investment also offers opportunities beyond property agency. As your profits increase, you can begin purchasing plots of land, building rental apartments, developing gated communities, constructing commercial buildings, or investing in holiday homes. Many successful real estate entrepreneurs started as agents before becoming property investors and developers. Success in the Kenyan real estate industry does not happen overnight. It takes patience, honesty, consistent marketing, excellent customer service, and careful financial management. There will be periods when sales are slow, but persistence often produces rewarding results. Every satisfied customer strengthens your reputation and increases your chances of receiving future referrals. If you build trust, operate legally, understand the market, embrace technology, and always put your clients first, your real estate business can grow from a small agency into a respected company serving individuals, families, businesses, and investors across Kenya. With determination and continuous improvement, real estate can become a stable source of income and long-term wealth.